Consistent sunshine. There's plenty of it in the United States, especially the Southwest. That's why concentrating solar power, or CSP, is a natural fit for utilities generating clean electricity and for creating clean energy jobs in the U.S. Power towers are one type of CSP system that uses large flat mirrors to reflect sunlight onto a solar receiver at the top of a centrally located tower. Fluid heated in the receiver produces steam, which spins a conventional turbine to generate electricity. In the 1980s and 90s, U.S. Department of Energy projects in California demonstrated that power towers could collect and store heat to generate utility-scale electricity 24 hours a day. And today, power towers continue to build a clean energy economy. In 2009, a modular two-tower system with 24,000 mirrors in the Mojave Desert powers more than 5,000 homes. And in 2010, construction began on a 370-megawatt three-tower system with nearly 175,000 mirrors. This California plant created more than 1,000 jobs and powers more than 350,000 homes. Let's shine some light on the point-focused technology behind power towers. Thousands of mirrors called heliostats reflect sunlight onto a receiver on top of a tower. These computer-controlled mirrors move to maintain this focus from dawn to dusk. In a steam power tower, water is pumped to the receiver, where concentrated thermal energy heats it to over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Some of the superhot steam is stored in a tank, while most is sent to the power block. Here, high-pressure steam spins a conventional turbine to produce electricity. One of CSP's great advantages is that thermal energy can be stored for later use. If a cloud blocks the sun, the steam stored in the tank is used to continue to produce electricity for up to an hour. Another system uses molten salt instead of water. Cold molten salt is pumped to the receiver, where it is heated, then flows to a hot storage tank. The hot salt then flows through a heat exchanger, where heat is transferred to water, producing steam that spins the turbine. The molten salt then flows back to the cold storage tank. In extended cloudy periods or at night, the stored hot salt can continue to produce steam and generate electricity reliably for hours. Today, innovation continues to drive down costs and boost efficiency so power towers can supply utility-scale power, providing dependable, clean electricity to homes, businesses, and communities. Power towers reflect America's shift to a prosperous, clean energy future.